A very warm welcome to all the students over here. We all know we have collected here for an ED activity. So it is necessary to understand what is ED, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, right? So this moves towards something we call as innovation and design thinking. Today we are going to start up the activity which is named Think Out of the Box. Now think out of the box is a very vague term. You can say it is a wide term, but over here we will be understanding about product and service development through thinking out of the box. Am I right? We have to find a problem in the society and we have to come up with product and service development from those problems. Okay? So I would like to call upon my students who have identified problems from the society and they have come up with probable solutions of those problems of the society. I would be calling Baljot for the first time.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Baljot Kaur from BBA department. Today I am here to discuss about some social problems with you all. My first social problem is dowry system. Dowry system is a system which the bride's parents are required to give expensive gifts to the groom, his parents and his relatives as a condition of marriage. Dowry is referred to as Dahej in Hindi. In modern era, dowry system includes giving the groom's family cash and a few other things for a pay of households. Under the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961, any act to take or give dowry is punishable in India. In ancient times, this dowry system is at the peak point, means पहले शादी की बात बाद में करते थे और डाउरी यानी दहेज पहले मांगते थे. Because in that times nobody is much educated and they are forced to give all their stockpile and most of time they mortgage their houses also. But now the situation is much better than before. It is not totally finished yet. It is reduced, no doubt, but only to some extent or some percentage it is reduced. To overcome or to properly finish this problem, not only government is enough for this problem, but general public also has to take some steps regarding this. Firstly, girls need to become very strong. Parents have to educate their daughters without any discrimination. Girls should be independent and responsible. The main step that the general public has to take is, it is not necessary that when you are trapped in this, then only you will go to the police station or to court or anywhere else. Even when you see that your friend's daughter, neighbor's daughters or any of your relative is trapped under this, then you have to take the action without any fear. At last I want to conclude my words by saying that आवाज उठाओ, कुछ करके दिखाओ, तभी ये कम होगा, वरना आप बोले या मैं बोलूं ये सब चलता रहेगा. My second topic is about movies nowadays. As you listen my topic name, so I start with a question. Do you have a right view about the today's movies nowadays? Do you see the things in a right way? Can anyone? I repeat. Do you have a right view or do you see the things in a right way about movies nowadays?
No.
Right way means movies जैसे आजकल आ रही हैं, उसके लिए आपका क्या व्यू है?
Yes, we see the reviews.
Maybe no, as it is not possible that you don't see any wrong or bad view. You have to watch it by intentionally or unintentionally. It's a fact that no one can learn the whole chapters of any subject to maintain it for a longer period of time. We have to revise it thoroughly. But there is another fact also, which say that animations are the biggest change that help us to learn the things for a longer period of time. In today's world, many movies are telecasted, but those movies are not written for the purpose of motivation or creating awareness. They are making a source of bad company, especially for the teenagers or youngsters' life. So I want to give you awareness about the movie. Movie is broadcasted only to entertain ourselves as this is a time where most of people live in depression. So movies also a part of our life which entertains us and gives the happiness even for a short period of time. We cannot stop these movies, and I am not here to put the mistake to any of the movie, and I am not blaming any director also. The only thing I want that we have to analyze the world. In this world, people need motivation and calmness. If few movies start with the motivation and can give the useful information, then it gives a drastic change in life of many people. Movies such as Kesari, Legend of Bhagat Singh, like these movies can be made. These movies can change the teenager's life. These movies can give information about religion, spirituality and freedom. And if these types of movies come, then parents can provide the movie to their children easily. They do not need to think whether it is suitable to watch or not. In this way, right view can bring the right change. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Madhuri and I am from BBA department. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. We are here to discuss the problem of our society. I have observed two major problems in the society. First major problem is general category suffering from caste reservation. No doubt the government is doing injustice. People belonging to general category. Today, near half of all government jobs and institutions are reserved for people of color. This is totally injustice and goes against the right to equality. Most of the general category students are suffering due to the reservation. There is no reservation for general category. In also UPSC, general category pupils attempt 6 times, but reservation category attempts as much as they want. The hypocrisy is that these are the same people who preach for the right to equality. The solution of this problem is we all are same, we all are equal. So one should get a job according to what he is capable of, not according to caste system or religion. If government not removing the reservation, at least keep the general category seats intact for general category students and not give them to reserved candidate. Second major problem is social media. Nowadays, social media caused many problems with the youth in society. Many teenagers spend on too much time amount in social media every day. Social media has caused many problems in society with teenagers and led many situations just like cyberbullying. Cyberbullying includes sending, posting or sharing negative, harmful, shameless or mean content about someone else, and also unhealthy sleeping pattern. So solution of this problem is make a daily schedule. Like हम सुबह से शाम तक कोई भी चीज़ें करते हैं तो हमें उस चीज़ का एक शेड्यूल बना लेना चाहिए कि इस टाइम तक हम ये करेंगे, इस टाइम तक हम ये करेंगे. अगर हम प्रॉपर शेड्यूल बनाएंगे तो हम मोर फोकस रहेंगे अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को लेकर. और सेकंड है टू बी मोर इफेक्टिव एंड सेट अ गोल. हमें अपनी लाइफ में गोल सेट कर लेना चाहिए जो हमें अचीव करना है. थैंक यू.
From BBA department, I am here to discuss about one of the social issues, that is stray animals. In India, the issue of stray animals is not new. These animals frequently halt traffic flow, resulting in major road accidents. The situation worsens at night when they freely roam. Of animals makes it difficult for drivers to spot them due to darkness, and many accidents occurs. And many animals got injured. Many lives have already been lost, and many more have been injured. Due to excessive barking and biting, stray animals such as dogs have become a major issue in cities, causing not only noise pollution but also health risks. There are certain solutions related to this problem. First, to catch stray animals and prepare a shelter for them. The municipal corporation should hire a strong animal-friendly squad. Second, animal health laws must be strictly enforced by the government. And third, education about responsible pet ownership should be promoted to the general public. Thank you.
First of all, good afternoon everyone. My name is Abhishek Somana from BBA department in our college. I am also discuss about problem in society. As we know, unemployment is very serious topic in our society. The problem is not only in India, as well as all over the world. Hundreds and thousands of people are unemployed. Besides the problem of unemployment in India is population increasing and demand for jobs. Unemployment causes workers to suffer. Unemployment, financial hardships that indirectly financial families, relationship and communities. It results in reduced demand, consumption and buying power. And the solution related to it, population control. As you know, population is very high in India. The growth of the population should be checked in order to solve the unemployment problem. Family planning programs should be implemented widely and effectively. Second one is change in industrial techniques. Production techniques should suit the needs and means of the country. It is essential that labor incentives technology should be encouraged. Thank you.
I am here to discuss about discrimination. Discrimination means treating some people from different from others. People were treating them according to their gender, their colors, caste, and many more discriminations. Such as they are treating the people according to their caste, according to their colors. There are many issues which arises in few days, such as the Zomato boy case. It occurs in here. And due to that discrimination, a boy from IIT Mumbai named Darshan Solanki, who committed suicide due to their studies. There are many issues of discrimination, and even there are many more issues can be discussed. But discrimination, according to Indian Act, everyone have right to equality. Everyone can get equal rights, so that they can get a chance. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ayush Kumar from BBA first year. Here we have gathered here for discuss on child labor. Child labor has been a biggest social issue which interferes the national development to extent. India is one of the foremost countries in Asia that have 33 million of child labor. In India, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra are known as the biggest child labor employment. And some industrialists and businessmen involved in the child in some kinds of employment at a very low cost labor. According to the education policy, all children have right to education for the better future. Thank you so much.
So my topic is migration due to any reason. Migration is that when a person migrates from one place to another due to any reasons, because of health, like if there is no health facilities, good facilities in the country, or education, like people are not able to get the education properly. Next is due to unemployment, because government and the reason for unemployment is population, because the population is a major problem of the country and unemployment is increasing due to this problem. So next is difference of income, like in our country, if we are doing a job, we only get 20,000, and in other country we do the same job, but the amount is very big. So due to these reasons, people are migrating from the one country to another. And the solution for this problem are like control population. If people get education, they will know this is very huge problem for the country. And second is government should generate employment for the people, that they get the equal amount in their country, and they should not have to go to another country for this. And third is to stop discrimination. As if I will give you the example of Bollywood, so their female actors always get less amount as compared to the male actors. Because of it, the female or male actors shifting to the Hollywood. Like in Hollywood, all the
actors or female or male, they all get equal amount as per to their work. Next is education. I think government should give some opportunity like scholarship to the student, that they get some motivation to study, like they can study and they should not move from one place to another. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Ayushi Yadav and I am from BBA department, and I am here to share a problem of women who are facing a problem in our society. So we all say that India is developing, but the thinking of the people who are living in India is developing. Then the answer is no, because there are so many people in India who are against the girl education. Then I have a question to all those. If you're against the girl education, then why are you search a ladies doctor at hospital for your mother or your wife? The second thing is that if women raise her voice in for any problem or any situation, then our society tells her that women should not speak much. Then I have again a question to all those. Then why don't they marry with a dumb woman? Even they can't speak a single word. Next problem is major problem, that is a dowry system. Nowadays so many people who don't buy TV, cars, sofa, fridges, because they are this is mainly continue in Bihar or any other areas, because they are waiting for their son to get married and they will get dowry from that and they will fulfill their all requirements. If I am talking about the dowry system, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg share its 90% its shares when her daughter was born. A father forget to buy her clothes for collecting a dowry for their daughter. If I am talking about the sacrifices of mother, nowadays people also divide her mother for their selfishness. If I am talking about the sacrifices of mother, then it will be a night. But I would like to tell 2 lines for those who don't know the meaning of mother. One night, after the meal of others, find your own meal in your kitchen, then you know the meaning of mother. At last, I would like to say that the solution of all these problems is that we should educate girls so that they will get aware about her right and they become independent, so that so that she will be freely raise her voice against any problem or any situation, and she become unstoppable. And at last I would like to say that we have to do something so that our parents feel proud on us and they proudly say that I will get daughter in my next life. And 2 lines also, that whatever is given to a woman, it enlarges. If you give her home, she will give you a house. If you give her groceries, she will give you a meal. So thank you so much.
So the activity is complete today, ED activity. But I suppose we have come up with more of the problems rather than solutions. But definitely solutions will come when there are problems. So now in the next step, all the students, those who have come with the problems, we will come up with definitely solutions. Solution should be product or service, right? Like I would give an example. She said dowry system. Awareness is not there under in the girl students or the women in our society. So we can come up with an app which can teach them how they can file cases against the people who are asking for dowry, or we can go for government assistance. These kind of apps can be developed which are under the product development, right? So ED cell activities will move towards innovation and design thinking. Thank you so much everyone.